Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get liquid glass themes in Windows 11. Alright, so a quick one guys. First head over to your settings. Now come and open up your settings. Then go ahead and click on personalization. After that, go ahead and click on the colors. Now in the colors, first make sure that turn on dark mode because it will be important for this liquid theme. Then also turn on transparency. Now, once you're done turning on these two, come back over here to the personalization, then click on background, and then make sure that you choose the picture mode, okay? After that, go ahead and open up your Chrome. Once you open up your Chrome browser, come to the search bar, then search for liquid transparent theme. Yeah, the spelling is kind of wrong, but we shall get it. Yeah, Windows 11. Now go ahead and run the search. Now you'll land on this page here, which is the first page. It's actually having 60 plus likes. It's the DeviantArt. So go ahead and click on this DeviantArt. Now this is where you get this theme from officially. Now what you'll do is quite simple. You come here and join and then register using your Gmail and then go ahead and download it and then you'll install it, then it will officially be on your PC. So thanks for watching guys. We shall meet once again.